Was arrested.
And for what offense?
Possession of illicit drugs and other narcotics.
The Denner family has been cast. The dynasty has to move to another family.
Do not forget the fact that I am your father.
Well, I lost respect for you the day you threw caution to the wind.
Damn you and your bloody protection! Why are you doing this to your father? Is he speaking to you? That you are not telling me, Kate?
Oh, will you shut up?
I did not kill him.
My princess, right there in Okanaskova, it's always dark, whether day or night.
Why my daughter, Richard?
Your Highness, I just forwarded some videos to you. Open them and see if you get the answers to your question.
Your Highness?
Yes.
Are you seeing the person you are calling Highness?
Standing to watch my daughter stand in the dark.
Can she be living prospective secrets at the point of marriage? Those nightmares are no illusions. They are not illusions, neither are they mere imaginations. They are real.
You're not dead. And even if you were, I don't have your corpse. All these atrocities you committed has brought me into this.
You can go ahead and take it.
I do not care one bit.
I was there.
Your mates in the village are there working from one side of the village to the other side, and you're here still expecting me to be feeding you.
What is the meaning of you sleeping in my living room with your legs on the throne? What is the meaning of that? I'm guiding the throne now. I'm guiding the throne. You are what? Guarding the throne while sleeping?
Keep seeing her in your dreams. That obviously is for another reason, not for the very first reason.
I want to go home.